We're demonstrating Kinesio taping for a wrist injury specific for a carpal tunnel. We use 3 strips of Kinesio tape, and for the first strip we fold it over a little bit because we're going to cut a couple little reliefs in here. So you fold it over about this much. Get your nice Kinesio scissors and we're going to cut a couple little wedges in here. And so we end up with a tape cut kind of looking like this. Tear the backing of the Kinesio tape just a little bit towards the center compared with where we've cut these little openings. Gonna leave a little bit of the backing on there as we're gonna put the hand through there. Now you're gonna put the middle 2 fingers through here, splay them out a little bit. Now for this top one, we're going to want to extend the wrist down like that. Bring the tape over the wrist. Remove the backing as you're laying the tape down. It's going to bring it up into the forearm. Now we're going to turn the hand over, attaching this part to the palm side. Then we're going to get our second piece of Kinesio tape. We're going to do the same thing. Going to bring this over, fold it about 1.5 inches or so, and we're going to cut these little wedges again. Tear the backing, again a little bit slightly towards the middle of the tape. Peel the backing back. I like to peel it back, maybe fold it a little bit so you have something to grab onto. You want to avoid touching the adhesive side of the tape. And again, we're going to splay the hands. This is going to go in the fit the fingers between there. That's it. We'll lay this on over the top here, on top of the tape. Now you're going to turn this over. And this time we're going to flex the hand. We're going to bend it down a little bit. Going to come over the palm. Sometimes we might have to use a little bit of tape adherent if we're going to have problems adhering it to the wrist. Bring it up over the top, following the arm up towards the elbow a little bit. Be sure you rub that in. Make sure that we've got all good adherence all the way around in here, especially over the palm. Now our third strip of Kinesio tape, we're not going to cut the reliefs in, we're just going to apply it around the wrist for a little bit of additional support. So in this case, I'm going to have it about there. Not a lot of stretch, we're just adding a little bit of extra support around here. Again, you pull the backing off as you're laying the tape down and setting the adhesive. When it's done, you're going to rub the whole thing in. You rub from the middle part of the tape towards the end. Don't rub from the end towards the middle. We want to make this adhesive work as well as we can. And now if you have carpal tunnel or a sprained wrist, or you just need extra wrist support, this would be a really good way to get that support.